Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, on this channel we review the best products on Amazon so you don't have to waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite with fisheye correction function synced to 55 to 65-inch TVs, 11.8 feet Robic Wi-Fi LED strip lights with camera, for colors in one lamp bead, voice, and app control, adapter, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Imagine stepping into a cinematic experience at home. That's what I've seen people rave about when it comes to smart lighting solutions for their TVs. No more dull, lackluster viewing experiences. With the right technology, you can create an immersive environment that complements any TV show or movie night. That's exactly what this product promises. Now, let me introduce you to the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite. It's a smart LED strip light system designed specifically for use with TVs between 55 and 65 inches in size. The idea is simple: to create a seamless viewing experience that enhances the overall entertainment value of your home theater setup. One feature that really caught my attention is how well it syncs with popular video streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Hulu. With just one tap on the Govee Home app or voice command via Alexa and Google Assistant, you can adjust lighting effects in real time to match the content being played. It's amazing how much of a difference this makes. You'll feel like you're truly immersed in your favorite shows. Another standout feature is its gravitational hanging design for the camera. The adhesive makes it incredibly easy to install on ultra-thin TVs, ensuring that everything stays stable and secure. This not only saves you time but also reduces any frustration that comes with setting up a new smart lighting system. What really impressed me about this product is how well it performs in terms of day-to-day usage. I've been using it non-stop over the past week, and I can honestly say it's made my viewing experience more enjoyable than ever before. Of course, like any technology, there are some minor complaints, such as occasional connectivity issues when syncing multiple devices at once. However, these problems are easily addressed by adjusting the Wi-Fi settings or restarting the device. Now that we've covered the nitty-gritty of how it works and its performance, let's talk about what customers really love most. From my research, I can tell you that the lighting effects created by this system are incredibly realistic and cinematic, adding an extra layer of immersion to your viewing experience. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing some intense gaming sessions, this smart lighting solution is sure to enhance your enjoyment. In terms of value, I'd say it's worth every penny, especially considering the compatibility with so many different TV content types. The fact that you can instantly capture the color of any screen for color matching without compatibility issues makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their smart lighting system. So, should you consider buying this product? My honest opinion is that if you're serious about creating a more immersive home theater experience, then yes, this is definitely worth checking out. It's perfect for gamers, movie enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to elevate their TV viewing experience with some seriously cool tech. However, if you're on a tight budget or don't have a TV in that specific size range, there might be other options available that better suit your needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. We drop new videos every week covering the best products on Amazon. The link to grab the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite with fisheye correction function synced to 55 to 65-inch TVs, 11.8 feet Robic Wi-Fi LED strip lights with camera, for colors in one lamp bead, voice, and app control, adapter is right below in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.